Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make curry tofu. First, press a 14-ounce block of extra firm tofu for about 30 minutes to remove excess water. This step is crucial for achieving a great texture. Next, cut the pressed tofu into 1-inch cubes. Finally, toss these tofu cubes with 1 tablespoon of cornstarch and a pinch of salt. This coating will help them crisp up beautifully when cooked. Now let's create that delicious curry sauce. In a large pan, heat 1 tablespoon of oil over medium heat. Sauté 1 chopped onion and 2 cloves of minced garlic until fragrant, about 2 to 3 minutes. Then, stir in 2 tablespoons of red curry paste and cook for 1 minute, allowing the flavors to deepen. Finally, pour in 5-ounce can of full-fat coconut milk and 1 cup of vegetable broth. Bring the curry mixture to a gentle simmer. Once simmering, carefully add your prepared tofu cubes to the pan. Next, stir in 1 cup of chopped bell peppers and 1 cup of fresh spinach, allowing them to wilt into the sauce. Let everything simmer together for about 10 to 15 minutes. This allows the vegetables to become tender and all the wonderful curry flavors to fully meld. Your delicious curry tofu is now ready to enjoy. Serve it hot over a bed of fluffy steamed rice or nutritious quinoa. For an extra burst of freshness, garnish with some chopped fresh cilantro and a squeeze of bright lime juice. This dish is perfect for a cozy weeknight meal. Remember to check the description below for a link to the Owala water bottle and other great deals to enhance your kitchen experience.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.